Separation on my mark. 4, 3, 2, 1.
And flight ace, we have subcarrier idle lock on both 70 meters.
Jettisoning the cruise stage, wow, the cruise stage is gone. And now we're just this ballistic thing entering the atmosphere. And the accelerations that we're getting reported back, wow, we're really 12,000 miles an hour going into the atmosphere.
Flight.
Go, EOCOM.
We see Cartone 1 and Cartone 2.
In every key activity that was going on, we got these signals that they were actually going right.
All systems are go for entry, descent, and landing. And on behalf of the entry, descent, and landing team, it's been a pleasure having you guys on board. Best wishes for a successful science mission. This time we'd like to invite you to sit back and enjoy the landing.
Place your tray tables in an upright launch position.
We have just passed 1 minute to atmospheric entry, current altitude 121 miles, current velocity 12,084 miles per hour.
Flight detector flight tone 5, acceleration tone number 5, we're coming back down again.
Copy that. Expect the parachute deploy in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, mark.
There it is.
At this time we expect the vehicle has gone subsonic.
Parachute undetected.
Flight nav.
Go now.
The one-way Doppler has stopped being received, indicating that the PBR is locked, which is consistent with parachute deploy having occurred a little bit later than the predicted parachute deploy time.
Copy that.
Heat shield deployed event.
Spacecraft reporting that heat shield has indeed jettisoned.
Lander separation event is detected.
Reporting lander is separated. We expect that radar will lock on the ground in approximately 5 seconds from now. We are near our terminal velocity.
We have resolution 17. That is confirmation of radar in lock.
Spacecraft reporting that the radar is in lock and we have a good solution on the ground.
Radar is working.
Expected retro rocket ignition on my mark. At this point in time, we should be on the ground. We are now roughly 10 seconds from the latest expected landing time. There is a dispersion landing time of plus or minus 30 seconds. So roughly any signal that we receive from now indicates that the vehicle would be alive, on the ground, and bouncing. Stand by. Still awaiting signal that we are on the ground.
We got 6 signs of bouncing on the surface.
The signal indicates we are bouncing on the surface of Mars. This is a very good sign.
Hang on, everybody. Please be quiet.
Stand by.
We don't see a signal at the moment. No signal at the moment.
We saw an intermittent signal that indicated we were bouncing. However, we currently do not have signal from the spacecraft. Remember that bouncing and rolling is an event that it could occur for another 10 minutes. The spacecraft has to survive all the bounces or landing be a success. This time we're approximately 10 minutes after landing. The vehicle should have rolled to a stop by now. The Deep Space Network stations at Goldstone and Canberra are still searching for the signal. The fact that a tone has not yet been received is not necessarily a cause for alarm, as during the bouncing and rolling event it is extremely difficult to send signals back to Earth.
Look at that.
It's stuff we had before.
No, 3900.
Brad ignition was at 3911.
All right, so it's like we got...
That was absolute agony. And in fact, I was getting quite angry and frustrated with myself because I started thinking that maybe this thing had failed.